AI video is evolving. The future is cinematic. The future is controlled. The future is Seedance 2.0. See you on Seedance 2.0 Higgsfield.
Hello everyone! Seedance 2.0 is coming soon on Higgsfield. Yeah, let's create magic together.
Welcome back to Digital Delegator, the channel where we break down AI tools, automation systems, and creator workflows so you can build smarter, not harder. If you're new here, we focus on AI-powered content creation, passive income systems, and tools that help creators scale without burning out. So make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications. Now today, we need to talk about something big. Seedance 2.0 is coming soon. Higgsfield has officially opened the waitlist, and based on early public signals, technical previews, and community discussions, this doesn't look like just another model update. It looks like a shift towards cinematic AI filmmaking. In this video, I'll break down the official features, what the technical preview actually reveals, what creators are expecting, and I'll walk you through the Higgsfield website step by step, including a sample prompt tutorial. Let's dive in. Right now, you'll see this page. Seedance 2.0, coming soon. Get notified when it's ready. You can enter your email and join the waitlist. But what's more interesting is the feature list. Let's break that down. Instant creation, one-click video recreation. This means you can turn a single sentence into a full cinematic video. But more importantly, it claims you can replicate trending clips or reimagine iconic scenes. The AI captures style, structure, intent. That means less manual editing. Multimodal engine, unified multi-input control. This is huge. You can feed up to 12 assets at once: images, videos, audio clips, text prompts, and Seedance reads each input's role automatically. That means you could upload a character reference image, a dance reference video, background music, a cinematic style prompt, and the model understands how they work together. That's not text to video, that's AI directing. Pixel control, frame level precision. This suggests something major. Every character, object, and composition detail stays locked across the entire video. It even mentions controlling fonts, scene transitions, screen rhythm, individual frames. This moves closer to professional editing precision. Narrative flow, multi-camera storytelling. This is about sequence-level coherence. Instead of generating isolated clips, it generates connected shots, camera angles, narration, environmental sounds, character movement, all staying in sync. 5. Dynamic action. High impact motion. This is where physics comes in. It claims realistic body dynamics, collision effects, fast camera tracking, multi-character interaction. If true, that's a big leap for action scenes. Now this is where we summarize the article clearly. Let's talk about the technical preview discussion. What's interesting is that Seedance 2.0 is not being hyped as just better graphics. Instead, the conversation has shifted toward motion coherence, camera logic, temporal stability, sequence level consistency. This is important. AI video used to be judged by, does this single frame look impressive? Now creators are asking, does this clip stay consistent over time? That's a big shift. Seedance 2.0. Overview and emerging discussion. Seedance 2.0 is an upcoming AI video generation model that is gaining attention as a sign of where cinematic AI video is headed. Unlike earlier models that focused mainly on visual novelty, Seedance 2.0 emphasizes motion coherence, camera logic, and sequence-level stability, aiming to produce videos that maintain continuity across entire sequences rather than isolated clips. Key points from public commentary. Sequence-level coherence. Creators are focusing on whether AI can maintain stable motion, consistent framing, and narrative continuity in longer format videos. Camera logic. Cinematic camera movements like pans, tracking shots, and controlled reveals are a major focus, helping motion feel realistic and spatially consistent. Motion stability and editability. Videos generated by Seedance 2.0 are expected to support downstream editing, compositing, and production workflows. Evolution from Seedance 1.5. Seedance 1.5 set a baseline for short-form video coherence. Seedance 2.0 builds on this with improved temporal control and stronger camera behavior. Scene-level consistency over visual fidelity. The emphasis is on maintaining motion logic, pacing, and spatial relationships rather than just raw image quality. Character and subject consistency. Seedance 2.0 is expected to keep characters recognizable across motion, supporting storytelling, advertising, and recurring visual content. Technical precision. Close-up shots, macro cinematography, and physics-driven motion are stress tests showing how well the model preserves lighting, texture, and subtle movements. Integration into creative workflows. The model is designed to function as part of an iterative production workflow, supporting motion design, typography, and timing control rather than producing standalone clips. Overall insight. Seedance 2.0 represents a gradual refinement in AI video generation, moving toward outputs that are stable, coherent, and usable in real-world creative workflows. The discussion highlights the model's potential to enable cinematic storytelling, controlled camera movements, and temporal consistency, signaling the future trajectory of AI-generated video. All right, let's take a quick tour of Higgsfield.ai, one of the most powerful all-in-one AI creative platforms for video, image, animation, and more. What you're seeing right now is the main homepage. You can create images, videos, control motion, edit, build characters, and explore tons of creative tools all from this dashboard. Feature Spotlight, Unlimited Kling 3.0. What immediately stands out is Unlimited Kling 3.0. This is an advanced video model that lets you generate up to 15-second cinematic clips with character consistency, motion control, and elements that stay locked across scenes. This basically means you can try longer, more stable video generation compared to shorter random clips. And this model is especially great for telling cohesive stories or producing e-commerce or narrative video content. Users often call this an AI director style workflow because it's less about random frames and more about a sequence you can iterate on. Higgsfield just launched an exciting action scene contest with a $500,000 prize pool. You can create your own cinematic action scenes, design stunts, choreograph heroes, and use AI tools like Unlimited Kling 3.0 to bring your scene to life. The top winners can take home up to $150,000 each, so this is a fantastic way to showcase your creativity, test your AI filmmaking skills, and win big while doing it. Now let's try Kling 3.0. First, we need to create an image using Nano Banana Pro. I already have the prompt prepared. I generated it with ChatGPT and saved it in Google Sheets. Now I use this prompt. Venice Canal in afternoon sunlight, female tourist wearing a wide-brimmed hat, male tourist in a blue polo shirt, gondolier in a traditional outfit, small gondola, reflections in the water, historic Venetian buildings, cinematic, realistic 4K quality. Once the image is generated, review it and make sure the characters and scene look correct. Let's try another one. And here's the results.
Excuse me, which way to Piazza San Marco?
Da sta parte, signora, è a 2 passi.
Excuse me, which way to Piazza?
Ride the rush of the city, one sip at a time.
This is absolutely stunning. The hyper-realistic visuals and natural language delivery make it feel like a real travel commercial. The couple's chemistry, the atmosphere, and the product placement are beautifully executed. Truly premium cinematic quality, perfect for advertising.
Excuse me, which way to Piazza San Marco?
Let's try this multi-shot. If Seedance 2.0 delivers frame level control, character locking, multi-shot flow, audio-visual sync, and real physics, then creators won't just generate clips, they'll build structured scenes, and that's closer to filmmaking. If you want first access, join the waitlist below. We're moving from AI clips to AI cinema, and Seedance 2.0 might be part of that transition. Subscribe for more AI creator breakdowns, and I'll see you in the next one. Let's automate, delegate, and earn passively together.
The game is over.